Souls, the first take. This is gonna be a fun one. 7.5 minutes. I believe the song is like 4 minutes, so there might be some yapping, but it's okay. I like yapping, as you could tell from my channel. I do that a lot. The Queen in a dark blue dress. I like it.
皆さん聞こえますか？
I
聞こえて
can
ます？
I can hear you.
俺らに言ってる。
そうそうそう。
聞こえてます。
よかったです。今日はよろしくお願いします。はい。これからやる曲は私のデビュー曲なんですけど、本当にもう皆さんにもたくさん一緒に音楽こうライブで演奏してもらったりしていて。
I don't know when this song came out, but it had to have been a long time ago. Especially off the sound.
井口さん、花ちゃん、はい、今日はよろしくお願いします。では行きましょ
う。Ugh, I'm hot. I like how her hair is done in the back. Her voice is so real, man. Yeah. So lit, so lit. I love the other singer as well. Yeah, I don't know. There's something about JP singers that, like, they make it look effortless, bro. I swear. And I know this could just easily be a case of, like, Thing Japan, but for some reason, the Japanese sound is in my heart. I don't know. There's something behind it that's got to be why I listen to it so much. And no, it's not because I like anime, you know? Most of the music I listen to isn't even fucking anime music. It's fucking Vocaloid. Posture, gang. I got a wake-up call recently. My coworker tried to fucking say I was 5'4". 5'4". So we measured it Cause I'm 5'6". I know that for a fucking fact. I may lie and say I'm 5'7" so far, but you're not gonna take five fucking 6 away from me. So I proved her wrong. I'm 5'6". She's short as shit, fucking 5'4". But they were like, my coworkers were like, you just slouch too much. So we never noticed. So now I'm like, damn, maybe I do slouch too much. So now I'm self-conscious about it. And maybe my back will be better. Well, my back doesn't even hurt because of this. The only time my back ever hurt constantly in life is when it was my first job because it was like very physical. So like, yeah. But no, nowadays I'm cooling. So, you know, but I'm not gonna be 20 forever. So, oh, are you talking about the ones you fucking wear like that keep you like this? Someday I'm gonna be fucking 40. I'm like, ah! So, you know, let's try to do this. What I blame wrestling. Ooh, I don't want to miss that vocal. But I blame wrestling for doing this to me because you're always like this. Oh no, I'm slouching again. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It really was 7.5. It was most of that was song. Yeah. So that was definitely extended. But very cool. Very, very cool. That was a fun one. Fun one. Yeah, shout out to the first take. That was very litty. Yeah, it did. It did, but it was a fun 7 minutes. But maybe it's because I'm like recording that I feel it more. I don't know. I feel like when I'm on camera, I know how long things are, even though like I'm literally the same person on camera, but no matter what, you can't like not know you're on camera, if that makes sense. So there's always like, I'm always like, I'll be looking at chat, or like I'll sometimes see on the side of my eye how long it's been, or I can just feel how long it's been because I've recorded so many fucking videos in my life. Like literal thousands, so I feel it. Now, if you're playing Street Fighter, if you're playing a game, shit goes by fast. Sometimes I'll play games and watch like hour-long YouTube videos in the background, whether it's like a Sidemen video or something. Watch is a loose term because it's more like listen. And that shit will go by hella fast. But yeah, I'm out.